Imagine this. It's 1985 and you've just started investing. For the first couple of years, your money climbs higher and higher and you feel unstoppable. Until Black Monday. Wall Street suffers its biggest one-day drop in history. Panic everywhere. Your friends are begging you to sell, but you hold on. And slowly, the market recovers. Until the dot-com crash. The Nasdaq plunges, tech stocks collapse, and your friends are again urging you to take your profits before you lose everything. But you stay the course. Then comes 2008. The financial crisis wipes trillions from the market. Headlines scream, the end of the global economy. Yet once again, the market rebounds. Fast forward to 2020, the pandemic, the sharpest downturn since the Great Depression. Surely this must be the end. But only months later, the market rockets back, hitting record highs. The power of staying invested. Here's the thing I didn't mention. That investor in 1985 was me when I turned 18. And despite all those crashes, my average return was 11.23% a year. If I'd invested just £250 a month, I'd now be sitting on £1.84 million, a gain of over 6,000%. And between us, I invested a lot more than that. That's the power of investing. Not timing the market, not chasing hype, but sticking with it through the ups and downs. How to get started. A lot of people talk about investing, but very few actually show you how to do it. So let me quickly walk you through the basics. Step 1. Open an account. In the UK, go for a stocks and shares ISA. You can invest up to £20,000 a year without paying capital gains tax, and you can take money out whenever you need. In the US, the equivalent would be a Roth IRA, though it has stricter limits and rules. Step 2. Deposit funds. It's easier than ever now. Most apps let you use bank transfer, debit card, or even Apple Pay. Step 3. Grab free shares. Brokers like Trading 212 often run promos for new sign-ups. It's a good way to get started with a little boost.
Why index funds work. Now, before you start buying random stocks, here's my advice. Don't try to pick winners. Think of the stock market like the music charts. The best performing companies rise to the top. The weaker ones drop out. An index fund works the same way. Take the S&P 500. It's a basket of around 500 of the largest US companies. Amazon, Google, Apple, Tesla, they're all in there. With one click, you're invested across the whole lot. If one company struggles, it hardly matters because you're spread across the winners too. That's why I automate my investments. A simple, steady contribution every month, no matter what the market's doing. My son's been testing this by putting £5 a day into an S&P 500 fund. After 3 months, he's already up 5%. It's not about quick riches, it's about consistency. A long-term mindset. And yes, you can pick individual stocks if you want to learn more, but understand the risks. I prefer long-term investing, looking at a company's fundamentals, its financials, leadership, and long-term potential, and holding for years, not days. Short-term trading might look exciting, but most people lose. Investing in solid companies and index funds over decades, that's how wealth is built. The cost of waiting. Still not convinced? Let me show you this. If you invested monthly from the age of 25, after 30 years, you'd be here. Now wait just 10 years, starting at 35, and look at the difference. That gap is massive, and it's the cost of waiting. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to compound. Final word. Investing isn't about being clever or timing the market perfectly. It's about patience. It's about discipline. It's about staying the course when everyone else is panicking. If you can do that, if you can start today and stay consistent, then the numbers speak for themselves. Your future wealth is built not on luck, but on time.
If this message feels close to your heart, that's not a mistake. It's your inner voice telling you it's time for a change. Maybe you're tired of working hard and still feeling stuck. Tired of money coming in and going out with nothing left behind. The good news is you don't have to stay in that cycle. You don't need special skills. You don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or check the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?